Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make organizational chart in PowerPoint. It's quite easy. For that we just need to head over to Insert tab here. Here is the option for shapes and this is the option for text box. So just draw text box like this, and just right here we're gonna enter the names of our organization. So I would recommend you to type this list by yourself and avoid copy pasting, otherwise you may get into the problem. So firstly I'm gonna type here CEO, hit enter. Then here we have Chief Operating Officer, and just like that we just need to list all of the members here. Once you create the list, we're gonna arrange it. So for that just select these officers. So these officers would be just under CEO. So we'll just select the text, hit tab. It's time for the second officer, hit tab. Select the third officer, hit tab from the keyboard again. Then here we have fourth Chief Marketing Officer. Once you do that, under this officer we have Operations Manager. So we gonna hit tab 2 times. Then this guy would be under this Financial Officer. So again we hit 2 times tab. This would be just under again this Financial Officer. So we have hit the tab 2 times. Now here this Software Development Manager would be under Chief Technology Officer. So under this Software Development Manager we have Front-End Team Lead and Back-End Team Lead. So just select the Front-End Team Lead, then hit tab 3 times. Here we're gonna again hit 3 times tab, so that these guys would get under Software Development Manager. Now under Chief Marketing Officer we're gonna put Marketing Manager. Now at the moment we have arranged the list in the correct order, so we just gonna convert it into organizational chart. So for that just select the text like this, hit right click. Here you will see the option convert to smart art, and here we have couple of varieties. Whichever you like you can go ahead with that. Generally I like this one, so I'll just select this one again. Now here you can see that if you wanna like change the text, you can just select the text like this. Okay, and if you wanna make it bold, bigger, smaller, you can just do that according to you. Now let's say I want to change the design. So for that we'll just click on the organizational chart. Here you have under smart designs couple of options. Like if I just click on this one, you will see that we have option for 3D as well as base match for the document. So from here you can choose whichever you like. So I'll just go with the simple one, and from here I'm gonna change the color. So the color I would choose is this one here. Then you can change the style if you want, like this one is looking good in my case, so I'll just leave it on this one. And yeah guys, at this point you can see that the organizational chart is successfully created. You can just click on the organizational chart and just resize it if you want. But yeah, that's it. This is the way you can create organizational chart in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.